Hello beauties, I'm getting straight to it. This is Beauty Forever Hair Company. This is everything inside the package. Let me tell you a little bit about this hair. It's curly wavy hair, 5x5 HD lace wig, a 24-inch, and it is 180 density. Right here I am cutting the back part of the lace. This is just there to look more natural. At the top I already filled it in with the makeup. That is my skin tone. I will put it on the lace now. To a side part because I think the side part will look better on me with the curly hair, and it does. So I'm just applying the wig on top. I will put the combs in the side and the one in the back. Did not have to do much to this wig, but I am going to cut the lace and do the baby hairs. I am doing the baby hairs now. I did not have to do much plucking, just a tiny bit. easy. I did plug a little bit, but thank you for watching. See you in my next video.